Hello friend, this is Tim from Multifit Solar. Let's talk about how to source the best inverter suppliers. 1. Ensure that the supplier has the corresponding production qualification. Check whether the supplier has ISO 9001, CE, FCC, and other certificates. There were all guarantees of the quality of products and services. 2. Be sure to find a big factory concentrating on producing inverters. If you look for a trading company, the cost may be higher, and the bigger problem is the inability to ensure the production quality of the robot. Large factories generally have R&D teams and qualifications, which can be better customized according to customer needs, and the quality is guaranteed. 3. Through platforms such as Alibaba, you can understand the evaluation of inverters by previous customers. Choosing a well-rated supplier is good for reducing risk of lower quality products. That's all. Thank you. If any need, please follow and contact us.